Turn your device into your wallet. With Apple Pay, you can tap, pay, and go in no time. Here's how to add your LGFCU Visa debit or credit card to your mobile wallet on your device. To begin, open your wallet app. Now touch the plus button next to the Apple Pay symbol. Use your device camera to capture your LGFCU card or enter it manually. Apple Pay will begin the card verification process. Tap Next to continue. Review and agree to the terms of use. You may need to verify your card. If prompted, call the credit union at 888-732-8562. After the credit union verifies your card, you'll be ready to start using Apple Pay. Use Apple Pay at any retailer where you see the Apple Pay logo for fast, convenient mobile payment.
LGFCU is an equal housing opportunity lender and federally insured by NCUA.